come back from that deficit against that.
Damn, man, I'm tired as fuck.
We've got some time before we get out to the SEC again. The ACC had an interesting early game. We'll check out Miami and NC State after this message. And more from our ABC stations.
Oh, the door's open. That fit wide open. Like he just wanted to steal shit. Shit. Why you dropping stuff, man?
Not bad, man. It's first time.
Come on. Damn, bro. He knocked out.
Yeah, can't get the ball, bro.
Stay on TV.
That nigga gonna wake up, man.
Come on, man. Come on.
Okay. Shoot, nigga. Shoot with these shoes.
Come on, man. Shit, get the controller. What are we doing?
Where's that nigga Fox, bro?
He ain't got shit.
That nigga got biscuits, dog.
Hell.
I'll run back and get Get the fuck out of the room!
Get back in that room! Get back in that room, nigga!
Oh shit, come on, man. Hey, this nigga got the games, bro.
You dropping them in stuff, man.
Sorry, man, I'm trying to
Pick the game.
we gotta hurry up and go, bro. Damn.
The bag is full, man. We don't need nothing else.
Shit, man.
Come on, nigga.
Sorry, man. Come on. Hey, man, is everything, bro?
It's everything. Get the
I
fuck
hope that
out
nigga
of
don't
here.
wake up, bro.
Oh, shit. What the fuck?
Hey, man, cut this shit out, bro.
I cut it off.
Fuck y'all doing in my house?
Oh, shit.
Fuck y'all doing in my house, man?